I've just returned from a Churchill Fellowship throughout Europe. So I went to Austria, Sweden, Germany, Denmark and the UK for 3 months, looking at 100% renewable villages and the local government areas that surround them. So very much in alignment with the Mount Alexander Shire and the Hepburn Shire kind of scale. And you know, it was really heartening to see how many communities have already gotten there. How many communities have, you know, they've really done heat and electricity, you know, already. They've done it really quickly. They're now looking at the whole carbon neutral kind of strategy. A lot of them are, you know, are looking into electric vehicles, carbon sequestration, what they do about local food. So really, really inspiring. I was very interested in communities that had integrated community energy systems. So, you know, they didn't just sort of own their own energy generators, whether they're wind farms or solar farms or bioenergy projects, but they also, in some cases, owned their own electricity grid. So there were 2 communities in Germany that were like that, and they were particularly interesting because you know, you can just create so much more value in a local area if you also have control of that asset. And I was also really interested in the social benefits that were coming out of these projects, the local employment, you know, sort of how they can create more behaviour change and more renewable uptake through sharing the profits around. And you know, programs like disability employment programs at some of the local generation assets were incredibly inspiring. And yeah, you know, there's so many communities that have done it in those countries already, and we're at a moment with the technology and the market in Australia where it's going to happen anyway. And the politics won't be a barrier over the next couple of years. It's going to, you know, it's going to occur anyway because of the market. So as on a community level, we need to be taking control and maximising the benefits for communities out of this, you know, out of this transition.